To use your perfect eraser, head over to your left toolbar and go into your retouch tools. Your perfect eraser will live up here next to your refine brush and your clone stamp tool. You can also select the perfect eraser by hitting Q on your keyboard. And the perfect eraser works by removing distractions, objects, people, and whatever you want to remove from your photo by filling in the areas that you brush with content-aware technology. So let's say I want to remove this little box from my photo. Well, the only thing you need to do before using the perfect brush is adjust the size for your object. And to adjust the size, you can head up to your modifier bar and adjust it here, or you can use the bracket keys on your keyboard. The left bracket will decrease the size, while the right bracket will increase the size. Now I'm just going to brush this on this little box here. And voila! It removed that from my photo.